So, did you watch any Olympics
No,
recently?
zero, dude.
Okay, yeah.
I got home late last night and it was just on, and I was like, these Olympics are happening right now? I don't even remember what the event was. Oh, it was tennis.
Oh, okay.
I got home and it was the Canadian girl was playing, I think a girl from Ukraine or something around there.
Okay.
And I just watched a couple games, just a couple games,
Oh.
back and forth. And then I fell asleep. Like I told you, it was going to happen
Because
to
of
me.
the commentary?
No, it was just late. It was just late because you can catch Olympics at any hour, right? It's Tokyo.
sure, yeah.
Like they're over there in Tokyo.
Yeah, you don't really have to follow a schedule. It's just always kind of on, and then there's reruns.
There's always something going on.
Mm-hmm.
So it might have been. I'm telling you, man. It was after midnight that I got home. So it was inevitable I was going to fall asleep on the couch. I don't even know.
And tennis is the one.
I felt like I was half. You want to know something? I fell asleep on the couch, but not even properly lying down.
Okay.
That's new. That's how you know you're getting old.
So what was your...
I think my position was like, I was sort of like in a halfway, like a kind of maybe like this,
Okay.
but mostly still sort of upright.
Sure.
Has that ever happened to you yet as you've gotten older?
Not that specific position.
Okay, what happened to you?
I do... there's like a L couch.
Mm-hmm.
I just sit right on the L corner.
You get in the corner there.
And I get comfy. Maybe curl up.
But then every so often you fall asleep or no?
Yeah.
Oh, you do.
Yeah.
You do.
Otis is beside me.
What's on display when you fall asleep?
Probably a food video.
Interesting.
Yeah.
See, that could be relaxing as well.
Yeah. Like a Strictly Dumpling or like a Mark Wiens. Shout out Mark Wiens.
Do I know him?
A travel vlog.
Yeah, I feel
eating.
like I've seen it. Travel vlog eating. My kids like to watch that stuff sometimes too.
Yeah. He's a good guy.
Yeah, food is a very comforting.
It is, yeah.
Yeah. No, I didn't get to see the opening ceremony. This thing caught me off guard, this whole Olympic thing. So,
but yeah, they had drones just to show off their technology prowess.
Prowess?
Yeah. And
nice attempt there.
I thought there was an extra R in there, but I guess not.
No.
Prowess.
There you go.
There you go. Yeah.
Yeah. Nice word.
But yeah, it's very cool. Very cool looking orb and certain positions.
Oh, so, okay, here we go. We got a video clip. Let's see what we got.
Yeah.
Drones
doing their thing. 1,800 of them.
Man, they love the drone show.
Yeah.
That's cool though. I kind of, I don't know. I'm kind of into that. I wonder about the battery life. Every time I'm goofing with drones, I'm always upset at how little the battery life is.
Mm-hmm.
I guess these people are not worried. They got the industrial, they got the commercial grade.
They have to get it right for the Olympics.
Man, it looks great actually. I really like that.
So yeah,
swarming.
People were just kind of filming on their phones.
Drones fly to form an image of the Earth in the sky over the Olympics. So yeah, I mean, it's the exact shape of the continent. Will, that's pretty cool, man.
Uh-huh.
Come on, Will.
The level of programming that they had to do.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it's impressive. Good on them.
Cool.
Yeah.